In early 1985, Swiss-born Rudy Hoffen turned what was basically a pilot training facility into a helicopter sightseeing venture with just one Bell 206 Jet Ranger. Because of its great success, over the next 5 years, 4 more helicopters were added to the fleet to allow even more exhilarating journeys over the falls. In 1996, the entire fleet was upgraded with 5 new customized Bell 407 helicopters. These aircraft are the safest in their class and ideal for sightseeing operations, as they have large, spacious cabins and oversized panoramic windows, which provide guests with a clear view from every seat. Don't forget your camera, as the tour offers views and picture-taking opportunities available nowhere else on Earth. To accommodate the new fleet, an innovative hangar houses complete engineering and mechanical facilities. Full-time factory-certified engineers perform regular maintenance checks to keep the helicopters in top-running condition. Because of their meticulous attention to detail, Transport Canada has given Niagara Helicopters the Roland Groom Award, its highest honor for aircraft maintenance. Augmented by luxury charter flights, search and rescue, film, photography, and other specialty flying, today Niagara Helicopters is almost exclusively a sightseeing operation. Checking in is always easy at Niagara Helicopters' modern Helihofen terminal. Our friendly, courteous staff is here to help you along the way to answer any questions, so you can just relax and look forward to this once-in-a-lifetime experience. If there's any reason you can't fly with us, our unique no-fly, no-pay rule applies, and your ticket is refunded. No questions asked. It's not just our ground crew that are special. Each pilot has been hand-selected based on their positive attitude, many years of experience, and their love of flying. Every year, our pilots are tested to ensure they exceed Transport Canada's qualifications, so you're always in good hands with Niagara Helicopters. Cheerfully guiding you every step of the way, our ground crew ensures a safe and smooth entry to the helicopter and secures each passenger with an industry-standard harness system. Once the ground crew gives the all clear, your adventure begins. Of course, no adventure can truly begin until we take advantage of this unique photo opportunity. So smile! The moment you feel yourself lifting off, you know you're about to experience the thrill of a lifetime. Once in the air, you'll be swept away by the spectacular view of both land and water on the Canadian and American sides of the mighty Niagara River Gorge. Formed as the river roars downhill over huge chunks of limestone, the rapids can churn waves up to 20 feet. For those who enjoy touring the links, elite charters can take you to many of the Niagara Peninsula's beautiful golf courses. Have you ever dreamed of saying, "I do," at 2,500 feet? At our chapel in the sky, you can see the wonder and be a part of the infinite history of the awe-inspiring falls. Lifelong memories will be created as you are married directly over the cascading waters of Niagara Falls. It will be a marriage made in heaven. Beyond the city limits of Niagara Falls lie the vast, picturesque orchards and vineyards of the Niagara Fruit Belt. The soil here is so rich, it supports 15,000 acres of grapes and over 70 wineries along what is recognized globally as an outstanding wine-producing area known as the Niagara Wine Route. For an even closer tour of these local wineries, you can arrive in style as our specialty charters bring you right to the vineyard. Scientists believe 12,000 years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downstream from their current location and actually eroded their way along this stretch of the Niagara River at a rate of about 1 meter per year. This section of the Niagara River Gorge clearly displays both sides of the border between the U.S. and Canada. To enhance your ultimate tour experience, an informative in-flight commentary offered in 12 different languages helps direct your attention to various points of interest. Our helicopters are equipped with a unique quiet mode, so you'll enjoy every part of your tour in comfort. On sunny days, you're likely to spot several spectacular rainbows in the mist. Once you've experienced the magnificence of the falls, you'll understand why they attract 15 million visitors each year. Our friendly crew will assist in your departure from the helicopter and cheerfully lead you back to the heliport. But your adventure isn't over yet. The photos we took just 9 minutes earlier are now ready for you to enjoy. You can relive the highlights of your journey with friends and family as you enjoy a vast selection of snacks, gourmet foods, and award-winning wines of the Niagara region. Everyone needs that special keepsake to help remind them of their adventure. Niagara Helicopters Souvenirs and Gifts is a must-see for the largest selection of official helicopter merchandise, quality clothing, and novelty items. No trip to Niagara Helicopters would be complete without the perfect treasure to take home. Niagara Helicopters isn't just an amazing ride, it's a destination. 5 minutes to the falls and within easy reach of Niagara-on-the-Lake, the Niagara region affords many diversions for tour groups and families alike. Some of the world's finest theaters offer outstanding entertainment value and exhilarating performances for people of all ages. Speed along the Niagara River Gorge through the world's most treacherous rapids aboard the Whirlpool jet boat. Step back in time and enjoy the rich history of Niagara's storied forts or a spine-chilling ghost tour. Join a guided tour of the Niagara region's world-class wineries. If you still crave more, remember, Niagara Falls is only minutes away. From the sensation of liftoff to the excitement of soaring above the turbulent rapids and cascading waterfalls, your Niagara Helicopters ride is a unique and spectacular experience. Your all-scenic flight will give you a thrilling view of Niagara's natural and man-made wonders that you and your family will remember for a lifetime. So come see the falls in a way that others only dream of with Niagara Helicopters.